Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Shanique the Creative Vegan. So today I have a very nice video for you because I will be doing an unboxing of some fruits that I just got from Fruit Hunters. Now I'm super excited. I don't know what fruits are inside of the box, but we're gonna find out. So let me tell you a little bit about Fruit Hunters. So they're based in Florida and I also have an affiliate code with them. So you could use my code ShaniqueLove and you'll be able to get 15% off all fruit boxes. Now they sent me a special box and we're going to get right into it right now so that you could see what's in there. I'm super excited. Let's go. Okay, so I opened up the box. So I opened up the box, right? And of course it's nicely wrapped and we're gonna see what's in here. So the first thing I see is a passion fruit. Look at that. Look how lovely this is. It smells so good. So we have a passion fruit. What else? Ooh, another passion fruit. Ooh, we have some Rambutans. Rambutan. Oh, let me open a Rambutan so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So you just crack the shell. It's a little hard. Let me use a knife. So I washed it, of course, because I always wash my fruits before I eat them. So let's open it up. So I just cut a piece and look at that. It looks like an eyeball. It's so sweet. So it looks like a guinea, like a hairy red guinea, but it's like super sweet. And I'll show you what the seed looks like. It's so delicious. This is what the seed looks like on the inside. It looks like an almond. It's super sweet fruit. It's in the same family as lychee, as guinea, but it's like so much sweeter than a guinea. Guineas are like tart. So let's get back into the box. So now we have an egg fruit. So this one, when you cut it on the inside, it looks like an egg yolk. And it's very dry. The texture is very dry. Not my favorite fruit. But but it's good to make like custards and stuff like that. So this is an egg fruit. This is a guava. So we have a guava here. And I think it may be the pink one on the inside. I hope it is. Have you ever tried a guava before? This one is pretty green. So it still feels firm. But when you cut it on the inside, it's either going to be white or pink. We'll find out later. So let's continue exploring and see what else. Let's see what this one is. Oh, it looks like another guava. So we have another guava here. So now we have a two. Ooh, this looks like an orange. So we have an orange in here. Two oranges. Nice. So we have two oranges. I don't know if this is a sour orange or a sweet orange, but we'll find out. Okay. Banana. We have boiled bananas. We'll make some banana bread. So I posted a video of me making a boiled banana bread. It's a short. I'll try to link it below so you could see what it looks like. So Burr bananas are like the original bananas. You see they're shorter in size and a little bit wider, but yes. And oh, I have a whole lot more of the rambutans. I see a lot of rambutans. Okay, we're gonna keep on digging, and I see something yellow and pretty. Can you guess what this is? Now, this is called a dragon fruit. So I know of 3 different types of dragon fruit. The yellow one, like we have here. We also have a red one on the outside, and the inside, when you cut it, it's white. And then you have another one that's also red on the outside. You cut it, and the inside is like a pinkish, reddish color. It's like more like a bright pink. It's so beautiful. This one is the sweetest one out of them all, and it's a laxative. So if you're constipated and you're looking for a fruit to eat to allow you to go to the bathroom, this one, it tastes so good. Do not eat all of it at once. Just test your body out first to make sure that you won't be living in the bathroom all day long. This is a diuretic. It's a laxative, I should say. It's a laxative that will let you use the bathroom with no problems. Let's continue going inside of the box. I have 2 more dragon fruits. So what I like about Fruit Hunters is that they package their stuff so well. Now, I've had this box for 2 days and I didn't open it until today. When you get your fruits, make sure you open it right away, because, like, you know, in case they start to start to ripen and get soft or anything like that. So this is 2 more dragon fruit. So I have like a total of 3 so far, and I have a large box, a large fruit box. So that's why I have so many fruits here. All right, I also see another little orange. Ooh, what is this? It looks like a mame sapote. And this one is hard, so it's green. This is what it looks like. And let's see what else we have in here. I see more passion fruits. Ooh, I may cut open a passion fruit so you can see what it looks like. You want to see what it looks like? Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna wash it first, of course. So I just finished washing it, and we're just gonna cut right into it. Now, you should use a cutting board. Don't follow me and just do it like this for your safety. Okay, we're gonna open it up now. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Isn't that beautiful? And let's have a taste. Now, it smells so good. Passion fruit smells good. So it's tart and sweet all at the same time. So good. So good. I like to make passion fruit juice. Passion and pineapple combined together is one of my favorite juices. I also sell that. If you're here in New York and you're looking for delicious passion and pineapple juice, just hit me up, right? I'll put my information down below. So good. All right, let me stop eating and let's continue. So it's hard. Let's get back into the box. Ooh, this looks like an avocado, and it is. In Jamaica, we call this a pear, right? This is an avocado. So big, right? This is my head. This is the avocado. It's huge. Well, my head isn't big, but the avocado is big. I have another one, so 2 avocados. I'm gonna have an avocado party. Having an avocado party. All right, let's see what else we have. We have a Soursop. Smells so good. Now, I should make some Soursop juice or something like that. It smells so good and so big. It's ripe. It's ready to go. So I would have to make this tomorrow. Make a delicious Soursop juice out of this. And have a few more Rambutans. And what else? A little baby banana. So that is what I have. Oh, wow. Fully loaded. So as I said before, this is all from Fruit Hunters. Fruit Hunters. I'm gonna put it all on a dish and I'm gonna show you everything together and how beautiful it looks. So I put everything on a bowl and I'm ready to show you. The only problem is that I wasn't able to fit everything on the dish that I have. The Soursop is ripe, so I don't want it to get squished, so I have it to the side. But let me show you everything else that's on the bowl in my fruit dish. So this is it. Isn't this lovely? So we have the rambutan, the avocado, the mame, the burr banana, the orange, the egg fruit. This is the egg fruit, passion fruit, dragon fruit, avocado, the guava, everything. It's just so lovely. All of this is from Fruit Hunters and I'm like, oh, it's so heavy. So this is the large box. They sent me a large box. So this is everything that came in my large box today. And if you use my code ShaniqueLove, you'll be able to get 15% off. Ooh, I feel like I'm doing some weightlifting here. It's super heavy and I have all these delicious fruits. I can't wait to eat them. Yes. Ooh, gotta put that down. Oh, my arms. Leave a comment below to let me know if you've tried any of these fruits, or if you'd like to try any of these fruits, or what do you think about this video. Any questions you have, just leave a comment below. If you enjoy my content and you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Toodles!